They must be secured.
It's already locked. These guys are moving fast.
Article chat. That's floating air time right there.
That's the best part of the ride.
No doubt. Roller coaster master! Roller coaster master! Roller coaster master! I like this. I love this. I like that, man. I like it. Smooth. Real smooth.
This is probably one of my favorite rides at Dorney. I think it's my second favorite.
Yeah, real smooth. I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna get on both twice. I'm gonna go in the back and come back this way and get on again.
Once your trip has come to a full complete stop, unfasten your seatbelt and push up on your shoulder harness. Make sure to take any items you may have left and walk all the way out the exit gate.